In 1933, when there was a war going on between Japan and China, Japan was attacking China from the northeast. The residents of Harbin City initiated the construction of a railway bridge over the Songhao River to safeguard against war. When they were building a railway bridge, a laborer found a skull there. At that time, the laborer tied it in a cloth and hid it in a well. After 80 years, when the laborer was taking his last breath, then he told this to his grandchildren, who took out this skull again and kept with him like a treasure. But in 2017, China's paleontologist Quan Ji came to know about this, after which he asked to surrender it to Hebei Geo University of China. When the scientists did carbon dating of the skull, the scientists came to know the skull is about 1,46,000 years old. But this skull was not complete. The skull's jawline was missing, after which the scientists matched every skull of human evolution with the help of AI. But this skull did not match the skull of any human species. Then the scientists tried to fit its 3D scan into human evolution tree, but it could not fit in any branch. After which the scientists named this new human species Homo longi, which we also known as Dragon Man. If we look at human evolution, Australopithecine appeared about 33 lakh years ago, which evolved from chimpanzee, and they used stone tools. By using their brain to make these stone tools, their brain size became 400 cubic centimeter, larger than that of chimpanzee. But still his hands were long like those of chimpanzee, and the spine was S-shaped, because of which he used to walk a little bent. After this, Homo habilis came 18 lakh years ago, whose brain size was about 600 cubic centimeter, and it slowly started walking straight. After this, about 13 lakhs years ago, it evolved into Homo erectus, who could light a fire, and they could communicate with each other, due to which their brain size became about 1250 cubic centimeter. After this, they evolved into two species of human, Homo neanderthal and Homo sapien, out of which Neanderthal became extinct after some time. Only Homo sapien survived, from which today's human species evolved. But where can we fit Dragon Man's skull? This is a big question. The scientists came to know when he studied it that Dragon Man's skull was the largest in the entire human evolution tree, and their size was the same as that of Homo sapien. So the scientists thought of placing it between Homo sapien and Neanderthal. But the skull's eye ridges and teeth of Dragon Man resemble those of Homo erectus, so we should keep it with Homo erectus. But the human evolution tree tells us that along with human evolution, the size of the human skull kept increasing. So for this reason, we cannot keep it with Homo erectus. So now scientists have placed it between Neanderthal and Homo sapiens. And scientists believe that Dragon Man species is very similar to Homo sapien. Support the mission of making our scientific knowledge accessible to everyone by sharing this video, like the video and subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.